Acne and acne scarring, or the scarring that acne causes, is a tough problem that we see in many, many patients. It could be very concerning to people because it can leave some very disfiguring scars to the skin. So how do we approach acne and the scarring that it produces? Well, first and foremost, we have to stop the process. So often dermatologists, if they haven't seen one, to talk to them about specific care for their skin. We will sometimes put patients on low-dose antibiotics, specific skincare products, even sometimes go so far as to put someone on some hormone replacement to help shut down the active acne that they are having. Once we get the active acne under control, then we think about dealing with the sequelae from this, meaning the acne scarring. Acne scarring comes in many different forms. It can be a very light scarring to the skin, which is called boxcar type of scarring, and then we also have the most severe form, which is ice pick scarring. It looks like someone has poked holes into the skin. These can be some of the most difficult things that we face as plastic surgeons in improving someone's skin after this type of scarring. So what can be done for this? Well, traditionally, dermabrasion was the gold standard for helping with acne scarring. What this was a mechanical debridement of the skin, where a small wire wheel was hooked up to a drill of sorts, and it was used to really denude or rough up the outer layers of the skin. When the skin healed, it healed smoother and tighter. It was a fairly gruesome procedure to have. There was a fair amount of bleeding, and there was certainly a large amount of recovery time associated with this. Now we have what's called fractional CO2 laser resurfacing, and it truly has been a quantum leap in our technology, the way we approach acne scarring. What this laser does is it drills holes into the skin, small microscopic holes, deep, almost 500-600 microns into the skin. What that does is it puts deep heat into the skin through the acne scars, and when the skin heals, it contracts and the scars are much improved.